We're going to be taking a look at this cordless tiller that was sent over to me to check out to make this video. I'm going to give you guys a close-up look at this tiller, go over the quick assembly, and give you a quick demo of it in action. Let's jump into it. Let's start off with what comes in the box. You're going to get the tiller. It is some assembly required. It's super easy to do. Got about 5 steps to put it together. You're going to put the guard on, assemble the handle, put the grab handle on, and it's pretty much ready to go. The tiller is going to come with 2 4-amp-hour batteries. Together they're going to give you about 40 minutes of run time. It takes about an hour and a half to charge each one of them up. So the head of it is rated for 9 inches wide, 6 inches deep, and it's fairly powerful for its size. The handle here makes it very easy to grab onto and maneuver as you're tilling. It is adjustable. You can simply loosen the screw, and then you can move this here. You can change the angle of it or whatever you need to do to make it comfortable for yourself. So it's super easy to operate. You've got a safety lever here. It is ambidextrous, so you can use whatever hand you have on the handle. Press the safety lever, press the trigger, and that's going to activate the tiller head. So as you can see here, we're moving through this dirt here pretty easily. This here is a raised flower bed that hasn't been turned over in probably 2 years. So as you can see, it's moving through this dirt really easily. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking for a cordless tiller for your raised flower beds or small gardens, I highly recommend this tiller here. I hope this helps.